Welcome to Product Critique, where we bring you the best products for your everyday needs. Today, we're talking about one of the best gas bikes for adults reaching up to 50 miles per hour. The Gotrax R1 20 inches folding electric bike. This bike is not just a mode of transport, but a way to elevate your daily commute, your leisurely weekend rides, and even those adventurous moments. The Gotrax R1 is powered by a 48 volts lithium battery, which gives you a range of up to 40 miles on pedal assist mode 1 and 15.5 miles in pure electric mode. With its 350W motor that peaks at 500W, you can reach speeds of up to 20 miles per hour. Perfect for smooth commutes or enjoying a scenic ride around your neighborhood, this bike offers excellent versatility for various environments. Whether you're zipping through city streets or cruising along park paths, the Gotrax R1 handles it with ease. But what makes the Gotrax R1 stand out from other e-bikes? Its portability. The folding design allows you to fold the bike into a compact size, which makes it incredibly easy to store or take along on public transport. Imagine, no more worrying about parking spaces or dealing with bike racks. Just fold it up, stow it away, and go. As for the ride, it's comfortable, with its durable 20 inches by 2.6 tires providing a smooth experience. The bike comes with dual disc brakes for reliable stopping power, a large smart LCD display to monitor your ride stats, and 5 levels of pedal assist to help you adjust the power to your liking. And don't worry about visibility. The Gotrax R1 includes an LED headlight and rear reflectors for extra safety, especially for those evening rides. Charging the Gotrax R1 is simple. You can get a full charge in about 5.5 hours, meaning you're ready to hit the road again in no time. Whether you're commuting to work, going for a weekend cruise, or just enjoying the outdoors, this bike is designed to offer an all-around great experience. So, if you're looking for a powerful, portable, and convenient electric bike, the Gotrax R1 is a great option. Stay tuned for more reviews and product critiques here at Product Critique.